U.S. School Chemistry Fundamentals Quiz. 6. Question 1. What type of chemical reaction involves a compound breaking down into two or more simpler substances? A. Combination reaction. B. Decomposition reaction. C. Combustion reaction. Or D. Displacement reaction. The answer is B. Decomposition reaction. Question 2. Which group in the periodic table is known as noble gases? A. Group 1. B. Group 2. C. Group 17. Or D. Group 18. The answer is D. Group 18. If you got the first two right, hit like and subscribe for more quizzes. Question 3. Which of the following is a halogen? A. Sodium. B. Chlorine. C. Argon. Or D. Calcium. The answer is B. Chlorine. Question 4. Which element is the most electronegative? A. Fluorine. B. Chlorine. C. Oxygen. Or D. Nitrogen. The answer is A. Fluorine. If you got this 4 right too, you're a chemistry genius. Don't forget to subscribe for more challenges. Question 5. Which type of change is dissolving sugar in water? A. Chemical change. B. Physical change. C. Nuclear change. Or D. Thermal change. The answer is B. Physical change. Thanks for playing. How many did you get right? Subscribe and comment below.